I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna tin fish, full guide. Start by opening your cans and draining any excess liquid into the sink. Flake the tuna with a fork and transfer it to a mixing bowl. Add a little oil or mayonnaise, a squeeze of lemon, salt, and pepper. Mix gently to keep some texture, taste as you go, and adjust seasoning to your preference before plating. Transform basic tuna tin fish into several tasty variations with a few extra ingredients. For Mediterranean flair, stir in chopped olives, capers, and parsley with lemon zest for brightness. If you like heat, add chili flakes, smoked paprika, and a dash of hot sauce for a kick. For a lighter option, fold in chopped celery, red onion, and a spoonful of yogurt to create a crisp, creamy tuna salad perfect for sandwiches or crackers. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep and tuna storage worry-free, keeping salads and dressings secure whether you pack lunch or stash leftovers. They stack neatly, seal tightly, and save you countertop space, which pairs perfectly with batch-made tuna mixes. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. A few simple tips make all the difference when preparing tuna tin fish at home. Don't overmix. Keep some flakes intact to retain pleasing texture and moisture. Season gradually, tasting as you add salt, acid, or heat so nothing overwhelms the tuna. If you want added richness, a small drizzle of olive oil goes a long way. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge and enjoy within 3 days for best quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.